is getting ready. They call it mera, or I can't even pronounce it. It's where they're going to put this plank of wood on then and flatten what is ploughed. Can't unravel it. And we're ready to go. Come on, gear box, get your act on. There he goes. It's boring studying in one place, isn't it? So I thought I'll change my location and get closer to the action. Beautiful, isn't it? The weather is awesome. Brilliant. Come back to this in a minute. To Mamuji's belly. It used to be full of lemon trees. It was brilliant coming in here, taking all the lemons off, taking them home and making freshly squeezed lemonade. Them were the days. Hey yeah. This is our local volleyball court. Used to love playing volleyball in my younger days. Can't do it now with these dodgy ankles of mine. So we'll be coming here one day and see how they play and see if I can join in. And see if I can join in and see if I can still play. Mere khayal hai oh ye hunda si aari lagi. This is where the wood working machine used to be, I think. In one of my later videos, if I get the chance, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cross over, go to the other side of this dry riverbed. The Kashmir or Azad Kashmir border and the Pakistan border is not very far from here, so I'm going to see if I can go and identify where the border is. There's some there's like a mound of bricks or stones was built hundreds and hundreds of years ago to signify the border between Kashmir and Pakistan, and I think that's still standing. And what we'll do is see if I can go and see it further up. Hang on, let me get further in. Further up, can you see that white building in the background? It's a new mosque stroke madrasa, school for the kids being built. We'll go in there and have a look as well. The last bit to do now. Doing a good job. Away he goes. All done and dusted. There we go. All done.